Motorola has found a successful formula with some of its Edge devices for the last couple of years, and we believe that the Neo stand out even more as delivering great value. Strangely enough, only a few brands offer compact mid-range solutions, so the Edge 50 Neo finds a very tight but comfortable niche for itself. This year's Edge 50 Neo is even better. Motorola has significantly reduced its size compared to its predecessor and has added some premium features and hardware. The Neo's display is now a 6.4-inch LTPO OLED, gains MIL, STD, 810H military standard, runs on a more powerful chipset, supports wireless charging and adds a 3x telephoto camera. Not to mention, the default storage variant stands at 256 ISN TGB now. It all sounds great on paper, but it comes at a price, and we mean that in a literal sense. In Europe, Motorola bumped the price by €100 but kept it steady in India. Still, even with the small price hike, the Edge 50 Neo remains very competitive in both markets. The Edge 50 Neo shapes up to be a very lucrative option in the mid-range class, but let's see if it can stand against its fierce competition. Pros: compact and easy to handle design, IP68 rated. Nice and bright LTPO OLED display. Dependable battery life, wireless charging, fast wired charging. Versatile camera system with a 3x optical zoom and AF on the ultra-wide. Clean Android experience with 5 years of updates. Cons: inconsistent camera image processing from shot to shot. Camera app is frustratingly laggy. More powerful chipsets for the price. Verdict: as you can see, the small screen options are few and far between, so the Edge 50 Neo doesn't face too fierce competition. Despite its size, it's also well equipped. You don't see many compact mid-rangers with a telephoto camera and wireless charging. The handset is also equipped with a higher-end LTPO OLED panel, decently fast charging capabilities and long battery life. The design is ergonomically sound and the finish is soft and grippy. However, if the Motorola Edge 50 Neo didn't draw you with its compact size and you are just looking for a similarly priced handset in general, you will likely find better options for the price. The Edge 50 Neo failed to impress with performance, and we expected better camera image quality. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.